Good morning, friends, and welcome back to Rockville Ranch. If you're new here, my name is Melissa, and I have not been on in a bit, but my ankle is healing well. I'm not in a boot. As you can see, I am walking, and it's time to do my chores this morning. And I wanted to bring you guys, because again, it's been a bit. So, to start, we gotta let the ladies out. I recently moved the teenage girls in with the big girls. So, let me set you guys down and get food, fill a water bucket, and let these girls out. The big girls are still a little mean to the little girls, but they'll figure it out. You see my tiny salmon favrola? She's so cute. Yeah, let's turn you guys around. Look at that tiny little salmon favrola. She's so cute. And the big girls. Oh, that little one there is my salmon favrola Americana mix. They're doing awesome. So, I have that water right there and a water in there because it has been so hot, guys. We reached just the other day nearby, our big city nearby reached over 118 degrees Fahrenheit, obviously, because Celsius we would have all melted. And yeah, it's been a blast. It's been super hot, and I'm ready for it to be over. Also, I sprinkled chicken feed all around and in there because the big girls are still chasing the little ones around, and I want them to be able to pick up feed as they're being chased about. So, but they will eventually get over their differences and be good chickens. And one day, I will upgrade this chicken pen. I just don't have money. So, they're doing great. And it looks like one of my big salmon girls is still broody in the coop, that lady. Alright, let's get busy working on the bunnies. So noisy here in the mornings. I'm gonna take care of the bunnies now. It's kind of a mess in there. I've got to do some fall cleaning, I think. Coming up to bunny breeding season soon, I definitely got to get things looking nice. All the bunnies are cared for. All that's left is taking care of the little roosters and feeding the dogs. I wanted to talk to you guys though, because of how hot it's been, about the bunnies. Luckily, this year so far, this heat wave, I've not lost a single bunny to heat stroke, which is awesome. And the rabbits, I have four in the lean-to and 4 over on this side. The 4 in the lean-to are doing awesome. They all have tile to lay on, and the 4 in the big hutch too. They have some bathroom tile that I put in there for them to sprawl out on. And right before the heat of the day, around, I want to say 11:30, noonish, I come out with 8 frozen 2 liters to give to each rabbit. And when I've come out later in the day to check on them, they are all right up against their ice bottles and cooling off. So they've been doing great. I also have a box fan that I turn on the really hot days for some good airflow. And always check for fresh water. And I'm not having a problem. They're doing awesome. I love it. And now it's time to go take care of the little roosters. And my cat will not shut up. They don't. Yeah. Hi. She went through a really silly shed this summer. And she looks all patchy and silly, but a lot less hair on her, and she's happy. Yeah. You pretty girl. Diddle diddle diddle. Diddle diddle diddle. Yeah. Okay. Let's take care of the little roosters. They're so cute, guys. I got a chance to, after I moved the little hens in with the big hens, I moved the roosters around. So now I have those 2 cages split with 4 roosters in each. I divided them up by ugly roosters and pretty roosters because I would like to, at some point, keep a rooster. Now, the rest of these will be butchered, but I do want to keep one nice little rooster for my flock of ladies. Let me show you the 4 pretty boys. We have that on top of those. They're just, those are just walking mats, but it helps add a little bit more protection from the heat during these hot days. And chickens are dirty, guys, so get ready. These are the pretty boys. And they're hiding. Let me give them food. All right. So these are the pretty guys. I like these ones because they have more of a cream color to their headpiece, except for that one in the back. I only had 3 pretty roosters, but I needed to split the group in half. So one of the ugly guys got to stay with the pretty guys. But these 3 right here are all very beautiful. And I have no clue who I'm going to keep. But we'll just watch them as they grow. And then the guys over on the other side, these are the ugly guys, which they are still beautiful roosters. But I will not be keeping any of these guys for breeding. They're all really beautiful chickens, but they just are not the roosters I'm looking for. And the two Americana mix, these two guys, one of them has started crowing, and he sounds so silly. I'm starting to think it's this guy right here that's crowing. He looks the tallest and proudest, bravest rooster. Yeah, he's definitely the crower. Cuties. Now I need to go feed the dogs, and then I'm done outside and I'm gonna go inside. I've been crocheting a lot, and that's been keeping me pretty busy, and I like it. And I'm gonna go back inside and I'm gonna continue crocheting, and I'm probably gonna make the cutest little cows ever. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm sorry I've not been around much. Hopefully I can fix that and we can hang out some more in the garden. The garden looks absolutely stunning, and I really want to take you guys down to see it. But it's a very long walk and really hurts my ankle to do it. So I think we might wait until physical therapy starts a little bit. So until next time, guys. Bye. Excuse me. Are you eating our grass? I hope it's tasty.